Hey folks, I'm Gary at Queen City Auto Body, a family-run business for over 30 years. I'd like to wish you and yours a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. 'Tis a season for love and giving. Be kind. Also, I'd like to thank all our customers for another incredible year. This isn't a big box store. We do things different. We're still old school. We treat people like family. I'm not afraid to fix an unrelated ding or scratch in an unrelated area. Usually at no charge to the customer. It just makes the whole job look nice. Remember, it's your car, it's your choice. Check us out online. It'll blow your mind.